Good morning, ma'am. Hello.
Ma'am, you have to unmute it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have asked us to do some homework, but then we don't have a textbook. So how do we do it?
Good morning, ma'am. Unmute your video, ma'am.
Your video is muted. Can you see?
What?
Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, for English, you have to log into in Google, ask for NCERT Class 10 First Flight PDF.
What?
Oh, what PDF?
First Flight. First Flight, name of the book.
Name of the book. What's the name of the book? First.
First
What?
Flight. First,
First what?
F-I-R-S-T, First Flight.
Flight. Oh,
Okay.
aeroplane.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. In your voice. First Flight. All right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
PDF. And it comes in portions, in chunks. It won't come at a stretch. So you have to download separate chunks.
Tanya.
Unmute. Mute, bro.
I got it.
Got it? So
Bro.
that's how.
Yes,
Got it,
ma'am.
Tanya? Yeah. So today I'll be sharing the screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Is there?
Fire and ice.
Yes. Yeah.
Fire and ice. So how did you find the lesson, the first lesson, Letter to God? Did you find that useful?
Awesome.
It was good.
Who's awesome? Lalit?
Amrit.
What about the other class? Sahil, your friends are here? I can't see anyone.
Amol
Ma'am,
is
we
here.
off the video, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is here. Shriram is here.
Video.
Ma'am, they've not put the
1
video.
minute. I'll just...
Four only. Huh?
Hi, Niharika.
Hi,
Then,
ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, Lalit is here.
Amol.
Abhinav,
Hi.
Swati,
Oh, God.
Amrit. Rishabh. Hi.
Asim,
ma'am.
Hi.
How are you, ma'am? It's been a long time.
Long time no see.
Who's that? Who's that?
Ishika, Niranjana, many people are there.
Yeah. All right. Shall
From our
we
class.
start then? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your audio. Please
Why,
mute,
ma'am?
mute
Fine.
your
Man, sports.
Ma'am, we
You
can't
will
hear
only
you.
listen for a change.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Who asked for sports?
It's my time to talk.
Dhruv.
Ma'am.
Can't hear me.
Bro, what the
Yeah,
heck?
your voice is breaking. Inaudible, ma'am.
You mute first.
Ma'am, sports, ma'am.
Mute. In case you want to talk, at that time you unmute and then
I can't hear only.
Ma'am, it is It's not proper.
What's happening to your
Can you
voice?
hear me?
I don't
Ma'am,
know.
only your voice, ma'am, is like that. Everyone I can hear.
Yeah.
I know.
Ma'am's internet connection is unstable.
Hey, Yashwardhan, hi.
Yasho!
Moo.
Starting our class now.
Corona side effects, it seems.
What the hell?
Put your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
great. So, good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
If you
ma'am.
mute, how will we hear them?
No, you just hear, you just don't speak.
Okay.
Bro.
Ma'am, you're talking like some robot.
Who?
Bro, Ami, Sada, shut up.
Who?
I can't hear, bro.
We're deaf,
Mute.
I know.
Tanya, mute.
Ah, okay, okay, ma'am.
Even I can't hear.
Yeah. So now, I have in my earlier class, I have also posted one video, one PPT on the poem "Dust of Snow." So after the lesson, "A Letter to God," we have two poems: "Dust of Snow" and "Fire and Ice." Both these poems are written by Robert Frost. So I don't know if you have received this PPT on "Dust of Snow," which I've also made and have sent it. If you have not received, probably you'll receive shortly. So the next poem I made is, we'll be doing "Fire and Ice" now. So this poem is also written by Robert Frost. Now, to tell you something about Robert Frost, he was an American poet. He was born on 26th March 1874. All right, and most of his poems are based on nature, and he also writes about person. He also writes about what do I say? He writes about one is about nature, another about the burning top. The what do I say? Give me a word. About life. Okay, he also writes about life. So here we are going to start this poem, "Fire and Ice." It sounds very casual. The tone is very casual. "Fire and Ice" tone is very casual. So let me read this poem for you. Please mute your video. Audio, sorry. Mute your audio. All right. "Fire and Ice," written by Robert Frost. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. So this is a 9-line poem. Stop making an art on that screen, please. Who's that? Yeah, thank you. So this is a 9-line short poem. It may sound very simple and casual, but it has a very, very deep meaning. Okay, I'll just explain to you what this means. Some say the world will end in fire. Now, you know, we all are facing some very catastrophic times.
Ma'am, what if the world does not end at all?
It will end,
Maybe
bro.
it will
Corona is
not
there now.
end, but I think,
Who said?
all right,
Coronavirus.
only one will speak at a time, because this is being recorded and ma'am is going to have a look at it. Head office people will also have a look at it. So we have to.
We're all dead, ma'am.
maintain the decorum. Let's maintain decorum and speak only when you have to ask something. Great. end in fire,
Germs.
some say in ice. So
Germs.
this is all about emotion. So if we don't have control over our emotion, then it will turn into a very big catastrophe.
Mami, 11 o'clock होने से पहले शुरू कर डालिए.
Who is that?
Ma'am, I can hear every other language other than English.
Exactly. Same here, ma'am.
Mute your video.
They're now
Okay.
muting only.
Good dogs.
Bro, look at Rakshit, bro.
I
Urdu
can't
is
see.
saying. Yeah.
Yeah, please. Please be serious. I have done a lot of work and people have done a lot of work behind this. Please be serious and listen. Okay. So here, in today's time, you're facing such facing such bad times, and just think about who is responsible for this. What are the humans responsible? Are we greedy? Are we doing such things, harming the environment just to satisfy our desires and our greed? Just think about it. Think about it and have a conversation with your parents. What is the root cause for this problem? Okay, I think this is very relevant. Fire and ice foam is very relevant in today's scenario, because it all starts from the emotion which we are not able to control. If emotion takes over us, then that is when this destruction happens. And the destruction happens with the nature's being destroyed, the environment is being destroyed, thereby even the human race is slowly being destroyed. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice
So
is breaking.
if there's no human race, then
Your voice is not clear.
I'm trying my best.
Breaking.
There's a problem with the network.
Ma'am, the voice is breaking.
Yeah, now I don't think it will break.
Oh my god. Oh.
What's that? Is that a tiger?
So this is what it is. You got the introduction, you got the
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Your voice is breaking a little too much. You can't make out anything. Oh, so cute.
Ma'am, wear the headset, ma'am.
Did you get the setting?
What happened?
Alright, mute your video, alright? So he says in a very casual, it seems very casual as I told you.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
It's breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Wear the headset, ma'am.
Okay, so so the fire and ice denotes some of our emotions. All right, the fire denotes, from the first stanza you can know, from what I have tasted of fire, I hold with those who favor fire. The fire, the desire is, fire symbolizes desire. I hope you got my point.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting my point?
What point?
Yes, ma'am.
Fire symbolizes desire. Sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
fire.
Yes, ma'am.
Fire and ice. So the fire and ice, the title, fire.
Voice is breaking, ma'am.
And your voice is
Voices,
Ma'am, voice is breaking.
Emotions.
exactly.
Oh,
Bro, what the hell's going on?
What is that?
Ma'am, that's Iqbal, ma'am.
It's Amrit, ma'am.
Listen, you're being watched.
By who, ma'am?
Okay, the second stanza says, but if it had to perish twice,
Gone,
And your
gone.
voice
Gone,
is
gone.
not proper.
You're talking like some robot, ma'am.
I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, I also and
What is that?
also Tanya,
That now.
please turn off your video and your audio. And
Ma'am, my video is off only, ma'am.
you
Bro,
can leave
who's
the
that drawing, bro?
Tanya, you can leave.
Sorry.
Rishmita also can leave the meeting. I'm sure there are children who really want to learn.
Someone play songs, ma'am. Oh my god. My god.
Rishmita, those who don't want to learn, please leave the meeting. And I'll make sure the link is not sent to you next time. We're not
Sorry,
here to
so-
waste our
sorry,
time. Amrit, I didn't expect this from you, Amrit. If you're really not interested, there are children waiting. You can, that's better. So if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say for destruction, ice is also great. So not only the fire, not only its emotions such as desire, hatred, what other emotions you'll have? Desire, lust. All these are emotions which causes destruction. All right. Insensitivity. What else? Anger. All these are emotions which we have to, otherwise it will bring a lot of destruction. So this is a simple poem. This is what it is about. All right. So desire, but also hate. Hate is the symbolism of ice, being very cold, not being sensitive. Okay, that also brings about destruction. Even that will be enough for destroying the world. So this is all about fire and ice. Okay, so here we have certain emotions which will them in either in fire or in ice. So we have this conflict. What do you mean by conflict? It's the fight in our own hand, the fight we have within ourselves, you know, whether it's right or wrong, the conflict. Okay, sensitivity, intolerance, all these are the emotions which are and the actions which we have to take control over. Okay, here we'll have the rhyming scheme here. Rhyming scheme here we have, I had already told you about enjambment. Enjambments without the right punctuation. in the second stanza, if you notice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great. The second stanza, there is no right it had to perish twice. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great. So the punctuation is missing there. It's called enjambment. I have already spoken to you about that. Okay. So you just notice the rhyming scheme in that. The rhyme. So A, B, A. Then ice also rhymes with twice.
A, B, no.
So A,
B, A, I guess.
A, fire and ice don't rhyme.
B,
A, B, A.
A, B, A. All right.
Then
So
A, B,
it's a
A,
very
B, A.
simple thing, but I think it has a lot of relevance in today's world. What happens in today's world? We are not in control of our own desires. So in the absence of taking control of our desire, so the nature also has its own way to heal. So that is why things are happening. Because see, if you look at it in the other side, on the flip side, the nature is sort of healing itself. Okay. Now we are staying indoors, and you can see in all your there's so many videos and WhatsApp videos making appearances. It is nature is sort of healing. The animals are coming out because we are ending up capturing their habitat. So now it's getting back its place on earth. Okay, so we are sort of captured, and the things are healing slowly. So I'm sure this time will this is a time for us to think, to ponder, to have a self-assessment. Okay, what we are doing is right, and then correct ourselves, realign ourselves. Got my point?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is some small simple. What happened? Rishmita, again you're off. You're not on mute.
I came to tell
So
yes,
you
ma'am.
understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
these are two
Ma'am, your voice is break
forms.
again.
Ma'am, I can't hear
Form
you.
is dust of snow, which is also about that snow. You close and you can hear me.
No, we can't.
You mute your audio.
Oh.
Mute your audio. Please mute your audio, then you'll be able to hear me. Amisha, Ria, and Rishmita.
Ria? What did Ria do?
Okay, so these are
I muted mine.
From nowhere, Ria. Chumba, so do you hear, ma'am?
Same here.
Hey, you shut up.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, are you telling something? Ma'am?
Can't hear
She's
anything.
starting. She's starting, bro. Wait, bro.
Oh, yeah, okay, fine.
Rooster, though.
Yeah, bro.
Chicken biryani.
Full I'm having here.
Why not mutton biryani?
Hey,
That's
chicken
also
is
I'm
there
having.
means
Who wants mutton?
I'm having everything, bro, over here. Shut up.
Bro, Yashodhan will cry. He's a cow.
so.
Veg.
Bad soupy theme.
I'm good.
No, we don't, Niharika. Don't act smart.
Not even in the meeting.
Hirasmita,
What?
next Kannada.
Yeah, Manjunath sir, bro.
I know. You're coming? No, don't go off.
I will be here only. I won't go anywhere.
Okay. What happened, bro? Hey, tell sorry, that's sad.
Ma'am, sorry.
Ayo, why is it going private, bro? What the hell?
Is ma'am saying anything?
Ma'am came on.
Ma'am, unmute yourself, ma'am.
I can't see anyone. Ma'am, unmute yourself. Oof, man.
Okay, let me see if I can share.
What was it?
You see the video?
Can't hear, ma'am.
Can't hear you.
No?
If everyone mutes, then it'll be heard properly.
Oh.
We couldn't see any video, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you only.
Ma'am's audio is muted.
There's some issue with my internet today.
Yeah, I guess.
1 minute, I'm sharing a video with you all.
Okay, ma'am.
You see it?
No, I can't.
No, ma'am.
Not
It's
yet.
like
No, ma'am.
started.
It's loading. Yeah, it came.
It came.
Yeah, it
It's
came.
come.
Success CD.
Is it playing something? Something is playing?
No.
No, ma'am, it's
No, nothing's playing.
Blank.
It's blank.
yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
loading.
coming.
It's loading.
Success CDs.
Yeah, it's coming. It's buffering it. All right. So, you find this useful? Sitting
Ma'am,
at
the
home and
flame
learning, not coming to school?
No, ma'am, not useful.
Ma'am, school is better.
Yeah, true.
Much better.
So far better.
How will we write our boards with themes?
Siddharth,
Oh my
Siddharth's
god.
doing long-term planning.
Oh my god, man, this guy.
It's
Why?
not for years. Chill.
Who's you are able to sleep for a long time, right?
No,
No,
ma'am.
Better.
Morning, they woke me up, ma'am, because
I have
of
12 hours I sleep every day.
Ah, you.
Corona. Corona biryani.
8 hours, but here you can.
Also what?
Is there something wrong? So sorry, children. Is something wrong
It's
with
okay,
my
ma'am.
video today?
It's okay,
My
ma'am.
Try
internet
with
is
your
not
hotspot.
working as great.
Chill, ma'am.
Who is scribbling on the screen?
Amisha, you only.
No, I'm not. No.
Bro, you just woke up or something.
Who?
Amisha.
Yeah, I think it's coming. Just listen
Yeah,
now.
bro.
Yes, ma'am.
Not yet.
It's blank.
Someone
Are you
scratched the
see?
screen. No, yeah.
No, ma'am, we can't see.
We can. I can.
It's
What you can see?
No. What?
Yeah, I can see
Free
some
ebook,
text.
it seems.
Ah, that is what I can see.
Yeah, I can see a free ebook. Mom, I can see scribbling.
Academy.
Yeah, it started.
Ah, it
The
started.
video started.
Learn English school lessons. The easy.
Sahil, shut your mouth. Please.
Listen.
Ma'am, except your voice, I can hear everyone.
Mom, your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
your voice is really breaking.
Piano, bro.
Sorry, audio.
Exactly.
Turn your audio.
Huh?
What, ma'am?
Mom, you can chat.
What? Dante's
Inferno. Dante's Inferno.
Fire and ice.
Ma'am,
Why
are you there?
this thing, man?
desire hate. What? Two ways end.
Who's scribbling, dude?
Damn.
Damn.
Who's that?
Lalit.
Ma'am, someone is scribbling.
Lalit is
Pratyush.
Pratyush, man, stop it.
I'm not doing it. Stop it, Pratyush.
Illiterate.
Ma'am, we can't hear anything.
Ma'am, have you paused the video?
Maybe wait, bro. Scroll and see.
She has
Where's ma'am?
muted her audio.
Ma'am is only not there. Bro, ma'am is not there, bro.
She went
Ma'am
off.
ran away.
Where is he?
She's there, bro.
Hey, no, da.
She's there, da.
Where?
See, check your participants, you dumbass.
I know, wait. That's what I'm doing.
She's there.
Wait. So lazy to search. I will type. What's ma'am's name, bro?
Bro, it's given Mr. Prakash there.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
da.
she's there.
Yeah, she's there.
Gosh.
Smita suspended for sure, it seems.
Who is scribbling?
My father.
Is anything played? Oh my god.
Shit, ma'am is back.
Ma'am left.
Hey, ma'am
She's
is there.
back.
Back, left, right, straight.
We're getting Dexter.
What is this? My god, dude. Why is it drawing?
Excuse me, what is this?
Siddharth, shut up.
Sharing.
Ma'am came, huh?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Iqbal.
Everyone mute your audio. Maybe we
And
can
do
hear
what?
then. Maybe we can hear then.
Ma'am's back.
Oh my god.
Could all of you shut up, will you?
I know that is what.
Anything, Amor?
Huh?
Mog, was it clear, audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's audible.
Mog, I'm asking.
Gabbar is back.
Lalit, the
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Yo, mute
Yeah, we
your
can.
thing, bro.
मेरे को कौन ऐड कर रहा है? मम्मी मेरे को कोई ऐड किया
Oh, what happened?
Bro, Sahil muted है.
हैंग हो गया मेरा फोन अभी. कौन था? उसका पूरा ग्रुप. कौन चाची और हाँ मैं मना कर रही हूँ. मैं मना कर रही हूँ. हेलो.
Ma'am, what is it, ma'am?
ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, just
Yeah,
send us a link. We'll search it on Google.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a better option.
Bro, Rakshit keep quite
What did he do? Let me check.
Adrishito.
What's your mute? Ma'am.
Ma'am, send us the link.
Wait.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am.
7 more minutes to go.
Tanya, you chill no. Damn.
Susmita, be quiet.
Sure.
Me also, okay.
Hi, Neha.
Hello and welcome to the extra class English. And I just started
Ha ha.
a fire to the person is burning with passion, burning with desire. अब इसका मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब
Looking for a video, yeah. I found one video, but I was not able to get it back. What is it called? Fire and Iron.
Ma'am, increase your sound volume.
Found one. I found one. Internet is acting funny today. I've shared it, no? will share this video and I will send it to you all. All right, I think we are done.
Bye, mom.
Ma'am, unmute.
Where did ma'am go? Ma'am?
Dad?
Oh God.
From English Academy, and today we'll study a lesson from class 10th. This is a poem from
Man, Rishmita, mute.
the
Sorry,
First
Dad.
Flight book. The second poem in your book, that is Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost.
Why is
Lalit?
Lalit playing the video? Mom, is the session over?
Session is almost getting over. 45 it will get over. But I will be sending you some more inputs about this poem because I'm not satisfied. And I expect Rishmita, Amisha, not Amisha, Rishmita and who's a Tanya to be offline, to be on mute in the next class. If you're not going to be on mute, Amisha and Rishmita and Tanya, I will remove you from the screen. Because of both of you, the other children are getting affected. So anyway, the class is over today. I'll see you in the next class. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Done. That's
Thank
it.
you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Mom, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. See you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, bye.
Bye, bye.
Ma'am, are we supposed to do anything for homework or something like that?